fucking, oh my god, a Greek yogurt chicken burrito wrap? Oh my god.
Nero Sunday, I stick and move, I fuck it up. Every day I'm working, right? Gotta move with a purpose, right? Every day I'm smiling, right? Every day I'm learning, right? And I'm far from perfect. Do I supply things and do I support financially out of love and compassion and don't expect anything in return?
Yeah, you always buy me groceries and stuff.
Yeah, because that's what feels great. And when Tatiana dumped me out of the
You wanna be on the vlog? Oh, he got the, oh! It's foot powered. That's super cool. Oh, hell yeah, he's in his zone. Bro, look. This dude is sleeping with one leg. The other one's tucked up. This one's sleeping here next to him. You're a booty eater and you like it. And you try to blame it on me.
Why would you tell me?